Hey guys, so you're probably wondering why I'm doing this video. Well, my life's been going in a bit of a downward spiral for about the past 8 years. Being fired from 3 jobs, having failed 8 times in my academic program, and taking on $30,000 of debt in the process has just been crazy. One thing I do consider important is having a private life. But then you're thinking, why would you openly tell people about your career history and your failures and your financial situation? Well, I only talk about things when I feel comfortable talking about them. In an ideal world, I wouldn't be making this video because it wouldn't really matter, but I've just felt the need to express myself more. One thing I've never really been comfortable talking about are my relationships. Over the past 4 years, I have developed an emotional connection towards a girl that I have never spoken to in person before. Well, how, you might be thinking? Whenever I've tried to speak to her in the past, she would respond, but she would always end up leaving me hanging. Every time this happened, it did leave me with a decision. Should I allow whatever's happening to continue happening, or should I say that what's happening needs to stop? And so I decided to allow whatever was happening to continue happening, and it's turned into an emotional connection, and I only realized it after I noticed myself closing myself off from meeting new people. And so now I have no way of knowing with fact if she's in a relationship, or if she's engaged, or if she's married. Because it's very possible that if I did try to speak to her again, she would probably just end up leaving me hanging. And so there it is. I wanted to come out and say something about it, and I felt ready to say it. Having gone through the experience, though, it has showed me what is important to me when it comes to a relationship, and that is connection. And having learned that and how truly important it is to me has made the entire experience worth it.